Hey everyone! Today I'm drawing a super cute cupcake. Let's get started. First, I'm sketching the wrapper. Lines on both sides. And now connecting them at the bottom to make a nice base. Let's add those little folds to make it really look like a cupcake wrapper. Now onto the face. Two big cute eyes, don't forget the eyelashes. And right in the center, here comes a sweet little smile. Moving up, I'm drawing the cake part. And now for the best part, the icing. I'm making it look like swirled ice cream on top. Let's make it even cuter, adding a few hearts on the sides. Time to color it in. Adding some sprinkles to the icing for that extra yum look. And there we go, our cute cupcake is all done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time.